Good afternoon to all. My name is Lavanya, lecturer in English, Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. So today's my topic is an astrologist day for the second year and for the third sem students. So an astrologist day is a summary and it is written by R.K. Narayan. So astrologist day, the author is R.K. Narayan. So R.K. Narayan is born in the 1906 and died in the 2001 and was a well-known Indian writer of English fiction. As the first generation of Indian novelist who wrote in English, and he caught the attention of the Western world through his friend. The British novelist and Graham Greene and Narayana was essentially a storyteller and whose sensitive, well-drawn portrayals of 20th century Indian life teem with fascinating characters. So his popular works include the Bachelor of Arts in 1937 and Malgudi Days, very good story and very nice story. The Malgudi Days in 1943, my favorite story. And Waiting for the Mahatma is in the 1955, and The Guide, yeah, very good book, and 1958, and The Man Eater of Malgudi is in the 1961. The most popular works of the R.K. Narayan are. So already you know R.K. Narayan is an Indian writer and the most popular writer, and his stories are very well for the children and and also for all the people. Right? Very interesting books and very interesting novels and very interesting stories of the R.K. Narayan. So in the second year also you are going to learn about the R.K. Narayan, and you are going to learn about the story of R.K. Narayan, that has an astrologer's day. So all the people, all the students, you know that what are the astrologer, for whom we have to call, we will call the astrologer. So for the people who are with the special special attraction or the special dress, so the astrologer will pick up compulsory in the in the people, right? So the astrologer means nothing but who sits under the tree and who sees our arm, our hand, arm, or our leg, arm, whatever it may be. So who sees and who says about our future. So that people are called the astrologers. So here R.K. Narayan is taken the story of an astrologer's day. So what is the day of the astrologers and what is the work of the astrologers? Already you know that what is the work of the astrologers. So what is the work of the astrologers? They will sit in a tree, they will set up under a tree and they will set up all their things, and their appearance also will be different. Looking is different of the astrologers. So here in this story there are the two characters, one is the Guru Nayak and also the second one is the astrologer. So only the two characters, one is the astrologer and the second one is the Guru Nayak, right? So here our astrologer, right, in our story astrologer is the main character, and astrologer is sitting under the tree, and under the tree the lights, with the support of the lights of the government lights, the street lights, the street lights, in the support of the street lights he will sit up to the end of the street lights, and the astrologer after the closing of that light, so he packs all his things and he returns to the home. So daily life, right? In the daily life, daily some people they will call some people and they will tell the future of the people, right? So that is a belief in some people. Some people will not believe, some people will believe in the astrologers. Yeah. So now here come to the story. The narrator gives the backstory of the young astrologer. He left his small village because he did not want to be overworked farmer like all of his male ancestors. It is also hinted that he is running away from one of his misdeeds. To escape his fate, he travels by foot to a city. So here we are talking about the astrologer ma. So astrologer, the narrator gives the backstory of the young astrologer. He left his small village. So the astrologer will left his village. Why he left his small village? Because he did not want to be overworked of the farmer. So he is not interested to work as a farmer in his male ancestors, right? And also the another reason why he left his village means the another reason is he is also hinted that he is running away from one of his misdeeds. So he has done a mistake, right, in his village. So what is that mistake? We are going to see. So he has done a mistake in his life in his village. So that's why for that misdeed, he is escaped. He want to escape that. So that's why he will left the village and he will travel by foot, by the foot to the city. He reaches by the foot to the city, right? So more than 200 miles away. Right, how much long ago he will walk means more than 200 miles away he will walk by the foot to a city. One day, the astrologer starts to pack up at the end of the day because the neighboring nut stand has turned off the green light for the day. The green light was a visual part of his act. Already I have told that a small light, right? He is the supporting of that light and he will sit. Right, and after the turning of the light, so he will pack all his things and he will return to the home. So one day the astrologer starts to pack up at the end of the day. So he is starting, he is packing his things in the end of the day, and because the neighboring nut stand has turned off the green lights of the day, the green light was a virtual part of his act. Before he leaves, a stranger accosted him saying that he is not real astrologer. So before he is leaving, he is packing all his things because the lights are turned off. So that's why he have to go to the his house. So that's why he is packing all his things, the astrologer's things. And when he is packing all his things, a stranger crosses him, means the astrologer is sitting here under the tree. The stranger crosses in front of the astrologer by saying some words. What is that some words? Means he is not real astrologer, right? He is commenting. He is giving some words from his mouth. He is passing away from the front of the astrologer, and by passing away he is telling some words, right? What is that word? Means he is not a real astrologer, right? So the stranger. So the astrologer says he only charges pennies per question. The man pulls out the equivalent of $1 and says he has some question for the astrologer. If he answers correctly, he can keep the dollar. The astrologer bargains for a higher price and the duel begins. So here the astrologer is saying that. Why you are saying that type of words? Right? The people come to me and they pay the pennies of some question and I will give the answer. So that answers itself, if they are satisfied for that answer, so then itself they will pay the money for me, right? So I will bargain for the higher price and the duel begins, right? So he will bargain, but the people will not give, because what are the people they are asking the question? So the astrologer has to give the perfect answer, correct answer, then only perfect answer and the correct answer, then only the people will give the money, right? And from that money the astrologer will bargain something, because his life profession is that some money he will get, so that's why he will go to the home and he will get the food for that money, right? His wife and the astrologer and also his wife have to eat in that the astrologer's money itself. So he will bargain, right? Yeah. So the stranger smokes while the astrologer begins his process. The stranger is clearly aggressive and rude, right? So the stranger who is passing away from the astrologer, right? When the astrologer is picking all his things. So the stranger is passing in front of the astrologer and he says some words that he is not a real astrologer. So then the astrologer will say that the people only will come to me and they will ask the pennies of questions to me, and then I will give the answers, so that answers are equivalent. The answers are correct, so that they will think, the people will think that my answer is correct, so then only they will pay money for me. So here the astrologer is talking something, but the stranger smokes while the astrologer begins his process. The stranger is clearly aggressive and rude, right? So the stranger completely is not believing the astrologer. He is aggressive. His behavior is aggressive. Right? The astrologer figures it has been a long day and the challenge is not worth the money. Right? So the astrologer will say that. So the astrologer, what the astrologer is saying that, the astrologer will saying, the astrologer figures it has been a long day and the challenge is not worth the money, right? I'm challenging you. The astrologer is challenging to the stranger that what he is challenging. So what he want to say to that the person who is a stranger in front of the astrologer. So he is challenging to the stranger, and he is challenging with the money, right? Not only just for the joke or just for the time pass. He is challenging for the money, worth the money, right? So he tells the stranger to come back another time, but the stranger physically restrains him and tells the astrologer to answer yes or no. Should the stranger continue with his current questions, the astrologer insists on a few things about the man's situation. So here he want to challenge both the people, the stranger and the astrologer are the challenging one by one. Not worth the money, right? So I'm not challenging about the money, and the stranger will say that come back another time, but the stranger physically restrains him and tells the astrologer to answer yes or no, right? So the astrologer will say that come back again, right? But the stranger will say that no, you have to you have to challenge now itself. So you have to say the answer yes or no to my questions. Should the stranger continue with his current questions, the astrologer insists on a few things about the man's situation. So while the stranger is asking the questions continuously, currently the questions are coming from the stranger. So the astrologer insists on a few things about man's situation. So asking the questions, the type, the attitude. So he will catch, the astrologer will catch the man's situation, asking the questions, by the questions. Here in the questions, the astrologer will take the man's situation. Yes. So the astrologer then says that the man was left for dead after being pushed into a well. This turns out to be true. The stranger, amazed, asks when he should get his revenge on the person. So here the astrologer takes the man's situation, and the astrologer then says that the man, you are searching for a man, so that man was left for dead after being pushed into a well. So a man pushed into a well, right? So he is a killer, so you are searching for that man. Yes, turns out to be true. Yeah, that story is right. The stranger is searching for that man who is tried to kill him, who is pushed into the well, who is tried to kill him. Yes, so these turned out to be true. The stranger is very amazed and asks when he should get his revenge on that person. So that story is true. So the the stranger is in the shock and amazed. Yeah, this is true. And he asks to the astrologer that when he should get his revenge on that person. So I want to take the revenge on that person who is trying to kill me. So I want to take the revenge. I want to take the revenge on that person. So when it is possible, tell me. So you are telling my story, right? You are telling my past. So that is perfectly right. So when I want, I should get his revenge on that person. So tell me, yeah, who assaulted him? The astrologer then calls him name as Guru Nanak and says that the man has seeks vengeance against died 4 months ago. Nanak is amazed. There is no way the astrologer could have known his name. The astrologer replies simply that he knows many things. Yes. So, who assaulted him? So the astrologer so then the astrologer will call him to his name, that the Guru Nanak, right, and says that the man has seeks vengeance against died 4 months ago. So whom you are searching? The person to take the revenge. So whom you are searching? So the person has died 4 months ago itself. Guru Nanak. So he calls his name also with his name, Guru Nanak. So then the stranger is shocked. The Nanak is shocked. How he knows my name and how he knows my story, right? So he is in the shock, right? So the astrologer wants Nanak to never journey south of his village. If he does so, he will surely be killed. But if he goes home, which is a 48-hour train ride north, then Nanak can live well into old age. So here the astrologer will he will warn, he gives a warning to he warns to the Nanak that don't journey at the south side, because you will die if you will journey at the south side of your village. So then you will die. So if you go 48 hours train ride at the north, then you will alive into the old age. You will alive up to the old age. Yes. So the astrologer picks up his things and heads home. He is late and his wife is angry at his tardiness. But then he hands her the large bag of coins that he procured from Nanak. She is thrilled by the good fortune. After a nice dinner, the astrologer confesses to his wife that the long ago, when he was a teenager, he was the one who pushed Nanak down the well and left him to die. The two had been gambling and drinking that got into a huge fight, and the fight at the end, and a fit of rage, the astrologer stuck a knife into Nanak and threw him down a well. But now that he knows Nanak did not die, the astrologer feels that he can sleep well with a light heart now. Right. So here, after telling the story of the Guru Nanak, right, astrologer will say that yeah, your name is Guru Nanak and your story is this. So for whom you are searching to take the revenge, that person has died before the 4 months ago itself. So you don't journey, right? You don't journey at the south side of your village. You have to journey at the north side of the village, right? If you journey at the north side itself, you can live into old age, right? So the Nanak very anxietingly and very happily, very anxietingly, he gives some coins to the more amount of coins to the astrologer, and he leaves that place. So after Guru Nanak leaves that place, so the astrologer picks up all his things and he comes to the home. So he is late, right? Because after closing the light, after turn off the lights also, he is talking with the Guru Nayak, so that's why he is late to the home. So that's why his wife is something angry, on the astrologer because he is late, right? So some anger to the some angry shows to his husband, that is the astrologer. So then the bag, whatever the coins the Guru Nayak will give to the astrologer, so that coins he handovers to his wife. And after opening that bag, his wife is very exactingly that how many this many coins, because in the daily life that many coins the astrologer will not get. So how you have got these much of coins today, right? She will ask the question, and the astrologer just he comes and sits and he completes his dinner. So after his dinner, so the wife is asking the questions to the astrologer that what happened today. So how many coins, this many coins, right? So how, right? She is asking the question. So the astrologer will sit aside and he will explain all the story, that what happened between the astrologer and the stranger. Stranger is nothing but the Guru Nayak. So after listening all the story of astrologer, what he is saying, so his wife asks that, how do you know the story of that stranger, the Guru Nayak? How do you know his name, and how do you know that he has searching for a person, right? So that person is, how do you know the story of Guru Nayak? So this question is asked by the wife of astrologer. Astrologer sits and he answers to the questions of his wife that whoever he is searching, the Guru Nayak, the person, whoever he is searching, that person is me, right? That person is me. He is searching for me itself. He is searching to kill me, myself. How? Long ago, right? He has what is the first story, that in the first line he left his small village because he did not want to be overworked farmer like all his male ancestors, and he is also hinted that he is running away from one of his misdeeds. So now I have run from my village. For that itself, the Guru Nayak and myself, we together are the close friends, and we have sat in a place. So the party, we have taken a party, gambling and drinking. So that got into huge fight in between us. So then the astrologer stuck a knife. So I have stuck a knife to the the Guru Nayak, and I have thrown into the well for the Guru Nayak. So I thought that he is died. Right? I thought that he is died. So that's why I ran away from my village. And I came to the city, and I'm living here because I killed my friend. So I'm thinking that my thoughts are, and I killed my friend, right? So in my hands itself, the Guru Nayak has dead. I thought that no, today he is not died. He is alive, and he is searching for me, right? Because I have tried to kill him, so that him down a well. But now that he knows Nayak did not die, the astrologer feels that very happy, and he can sleep with a light heart now. So he can sleep very nicely. He can sleep with the satisfaction, because from these days, right? From these days, he is feeling that yeah, I have killed a person and I have ran it away from my village, and I came to city and I am living here as the astrologer. Right. So today I have seen the Guru Nayak. So I'm very happy that he is alive. Right. He is not died. So yeah. So he is not died. So I am very happy to hear that and to see the Guru Nayak. Right. So this is the story ended. But Guru Nayak will see the astrologer. Right. Guru Nayak will see the astrologer, and astrologer will see the Guru Nayak. So that way itself, after seeing the face itself, the astrologer will say that yeah, your name is the Guru Nayak. So then Guru Nayak doesn't see the face of the astrologer, After seeing the face of the astrologer also, why Guru Nanak has listened the words of the astrologer, why he is not killed the astrologer? Because the Nayak role, right? The Nayak role is to kill the astrologer, right? So after seeing his friend of astrologer, why Guru Nanak has silent? Why he listened to all the astrologer's words? Why? He is revenge. He want to take the revenge on his friend. So why he heard? Why he leave the astrologer, right? Yeah, this is a question raised by Yuma. So nothing but no. Already I have told in the starting that all the lights are turned off, right? So the blue lights are turned off. So that is the dark night. So in the dark night, the faces of the two people, the Guru Nanak will not see the face of the astrologer. The astrologer will not see the face of the Guru Nanak. But the voice, the story, when he says, the stranger says that, yeah, I want to take the revenge, a person, right? So that will click in the mind of the astrologer, and with the words, with the voice, the astrologer becomes, the astrologer thinks that, yeah, he is the Guru Nanak. So he will throw a stone on him that your name is Guru Nanak. Yeah, the Guru Nanak will say that, yeah, my name is Guru Nanak. So that's when the astrologer will think, and his his thoughts are turned into correct, true. So then he will say the story, and also he himself, his life is in risk, right? Because the Guru Nanak want to take the revenge on the astrologer. He is roaming. He is roaming in the city for that itself, right? So that's why he will kill me. If he will see me, he will kill me. The Guru Nanak will kill me. So that's why the astrologer, with his great mind, perfect mind, perfect thoughts, he will tell that don't journey, right? Don't do the journey at the south side of your village, because at the south side of their village, the astrologer is staying in that city itself. So that's why he will say that don't go the journey to the south side. You go to the journey of your village at the north side. Don't come to the south side. If you will come to the south side of your village, you will die, right? You will die. So that's why the Guru Nanak, the astrologer, he saves himself, and also he saved the he doesn't kill the Guru Nanak. So his thoughts and his mindset and his mind, right? So in the manner of his talking and in the manner of handling the situation is very good of the astrologer, right? So this is the story of the astrologer's day. This is the astrologer's day, right? So once again I'm repeating, yeah, astrologer's day. Astrologer's day is in the astrologer's day is written by the R.K. Narayan. So astrologer's day is written by the R.K. Narayan. In this story there are only the two characters, right? One is the astrologer and the second one is the Guru Nanak, right? So only the two characters. For the two characters itself, the story will start and end. Yeah, very interesting story. Yes, very nice story. So astrologer's day, right? Astrologers. First of all, we have to do question that who are the astrologers? What is the work of the astrologer? Suppose lecturer in English, my work is to teaching, right? Engineering, their work is to do the engineering work. Doctors, doctor work. Teachers work. All the people have the separate work, right? Also astrologers also has the separate work, and astrologers are different. Their look is different, right? Their look is different. Means they will their dress, they will keep the sinduram, right? And they will wear a type of light orange or the dark orange color of the dresses from the up to the bottom, the same color of the dress, and they will sit under the tree and they will say the future of the people, right? They will see the hand or the leg or whatever it may be, right? They will they will know our name and our birthday. So whatever it may be, so the different types of astrologers are there. The astrologers also, there are the different type of astrologers. Some people will seeing by hand, some people will tell seeing by leg, or some people will tell knowing our name, whatever it may be. They will say the future, right? So some people will believe in the astrologer, some people will not believe in the astrologer, right? So here our story begins with the astrologer itself, right? So the astrologer is a person, so he will run away from his village and he will come to the city by the walk, by the foot. So he will come to the city and he will settle as the astrologer in the city. Yes. So astrologer in the city, the astrologer after all the lights are turned off, the blue lights are turned off in the street, right? So he is preparing to pack his things and he returns to the home, right? So he is preparing to go to the home. So he picks up all his things and he is ready to go to the home. So a person, a stranger, right? A stranger comes in front of the astrologer. A stranger comes in front of the astrologer and he is saying some words that he is not a real astrologer. By showing the astrologer, he is not a real astrologer, saying that he is not a real astrologer, right? So after hearing these words of the stranger, the astrologer, so the astrologer will call him and he says that the people will come to me and they will charge me and they will ask a lot of questions of their life or of their futures or whatever it may be. They will ask lot of questions and they will give some amount of money and I will bargain for that money also, because I'm not sufficient for that money, right? I'm not sufficient with that money, so I will bargain. I will bargain for a higher price, alright? So the higher price, but the people will not give the money what he bargains. So here the stranger smokes while the astrologer begins his process, right? So the stranger is clearly aggressive and rude. So the stranger will say that if you tell my future, right, if you tell about me, not the future, if you tell about me, I will give the money for you, right? How many you will ask, so that much money I will give for you. Yeah, so the astrologer will obey and he will tell that, yeah, I'm ready for the challenge. Yes, so the astrologer is ready for the challenge. So the stranger is also ready for that challenge. So the two people are ready for the challenge and the astrologer now. Astrologer, the stranger will come back another, astrologer then says the man was left. So the astrologer, the stranger is asking the question to the, the astrologer, and he is saying that say yes or no. So the astrologer begins to talk and he will say that you are searching a person. You are searching for a person. Right? He says that you are searching for a person. That man was left for dead after being pushed into a well. Right? So this turns out true, and the stranger is amazed and asks. So then for that only the one line of the astrologer, so that the stranger will come to that, yeah, his words are true, the astrologer is true. So then he will ask the question. He will ask the question to the astrologer that, when he should get his revenge on that person. So I want to take the revenge on a person. So when I should take the revenge on that person? So tell me please. So here the astrologer then also calls his name as the Guru Nayak. So after calling the name, the astrologer, the stranger is in shock, because how you know my name? How he know my name and how he know my story? my past. He is saying about my past and he is saying my name, right? So the Nayak is amazed. There is no way the astrologer could have known his name, right? So there is no way the astrologer should know his name. So the astrologer replies simply that he knows many things about you. The astrologer, he replies again that I know many things about you. I know so many things about you. What are they? So the astrologer warns the Nayak that to never journey south of his village. So the astrologer will say that don't go by the south side, because it is he surely be killed, right? So if he does so, he will surely be killed. You have been killed, right, if you journey at the south side. So you go to your village, which is 48 hours train ride north side, and the distance 48 hours. The time is the 48 hours. So then you go there and you live there, and you will can live well into old age, up to the old age. If you will take the journey at the south side, you will be killed. If you take the journey to the north side, yeah, you will live at the old age also. Yes, astrologer. So that for that word, the stranger, that Guru Nayak, will give some amount of money, and the astrologer picks packs all his things, and he will return to the home. So his wife, the astrologer's wife, is very angry because the astrologer is late to the home. So the astrologer's wife is angry to the astrologer, and the astrologer will take the bag and he keeps in his wife's hand. So after seeing that, after opening that, the wife will be shocked because so many amount of money, how, right? So how this much amount of money, she will ask to the astrologer. Astrologer, after fresh upping, and he comes and he takes his dinner and sits cool, and he will say the story completely, whatever the discussion, whatever the story has become between the astrologer and also the Guru Nayak. So after listening that, his wife will get a question, a doubt. What does that mean? How you know that person is a Guru Nayak, and how you know the story of that person? Right? So he will say, the astrologer will say the answer. He will reply that whoever he is searching to kill the person, that person is myself, that person is me. Right, far away, far days goes, before days I have, Guru Nayak is my close friend. We both are close friends. In the two hands being gambling and drinking. So we have got the huge fight between us, and I have killed, right? In that fight, I have cut the knife into the Nayak. Into the Nayak, into the Nayak's, into the Nayak's, into the Nayak's sleeve, right? So, and also I have pushed down into a well. So I thought that he has died, but I am very happy now today because I have seen my friend as alive. I am not a killer. I have not killed anybody. So I am very happy. Yes? So these words are said by the astrologer to his wife, and astrologer feels that he can sleep with a light heart now because he doesn't do any the wrong thing, right? His life is very perfect, right? He's not killed anybody. So this is the story about an astrologer's day. And one doubt, I already told that. So how the astrologer will know the Guru Nayak? So the astrologer is a person who has tried to kill the Guru Nayak. So Guru Nayak, after seeing the astrologer also, why he left him, right? So this is a doubt you will raise, right? So for that doubt I have the answer, that I already told in the starting that the lights are all turned off. Yes, the lights are all turned off, and the Guru Nayak will say that I am searching for a person, I have to kill a person. So for that verse itself, the astrologer will what you can remember the voice of the Guru Nanak, and then he will say, he will throw a stone that, yeah, what your name is Guru Nanak? Yeah, for that he will reply that, yeah, my name is Guru Nanak. So that the story of all between them, what is happened between them, so that story, all the story will tell to the Guru Nanak. The astrologer will tell to the Guru Nanak, and the Guru Nanak feels that that astrologer is very good and very true. So that's why with the happy he will give the money, lot of money, and then he will give, and then he will go away. Right? So this is the story, ma. And also one point, ma, here astrologer will say, why he will say that don't go to the journey at the south side. Only you go to the journey at the north side. Means south side the astrologer will is leaving. Right? So that's why if the Guru Nanak will come to the south side, so then he will see to the astrologer and then he will kill. So that's why he himself also he want to save, right? So that's why he will say to the Guru Nanak that don't journey at the south side, only the north side. Go away, 48 hours away, north side, and then you will live into the old age. So this is the story of the astrologers, ma. Right? My name is Lavanya, lecturer in English, Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. Thank you.